In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your battery. Also, you can check the cranking and the charging system. So Top Don contacted me and asked me if I'd be interested in trying one of these, if I show people how to use it. I said sure. And so they sent this to me for free, and I'm going to pass this along too. And I'm done with this. I'm going to send it to one of you. So it's a very simple tool. Checks all three with this one system and uses Bluetooth that connects with your iPhone. So if you don't have a smartphone, or iPhone, Android, I have an Android, but if you don't have a smartphone, this this won't work for you. But I think just about everybody has a smartphone. But all you have to do is hook it up. Red is positive, and the black is negative. And the rest will be done from the app on your phone. Okay, so now I'm sitting in the car and I'm going to operate the rest of this with my phone. So the first thing you want to do, I don't know how well you can see this on the screen, but there's an app for it that you download. It's a free app, and BT Master. And to start the test, you just click the button. This will test your battery. And it's going to ask you a few questions. This is a regular flooded battery, but if you have any of these other special batteries, which you'll say on the battery, you can select that one. Let me show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And that's going to ask you for the CCA, which is the cold cranking amp. And again, if you don't know that, look on your battery, it'll tell you on there. But I selected CCA, and this one's 590. So I select that, and you just move this up or down to select which one it is. Okay, now I've got the CCA, the cold cranking amp, set at 590, which is what this battery is. I'm going to hit next, and it should start testing the battery. Okay, so the SOH is the state of health, 38%, meaning the battery's starting to get old. And whenever it's a lower percentage here, means that might be, might start up fine now, but you might actually, go out one cold morning and it not start on you, leave you stranded. So the charge, it's a 100% charge, but the state of health is down a little bit. And it gives you the numbers here, the voltage, and all that. But if you don't really know what that's telling you, it'll tell you down here, the battery has aged and it is high risk period. Please replace it in time to avoid the trouble of anchoring halfway. So anyway, this battery does need to be replaced. Will it work for a while? It will, but if you don't want to get stranded somewhere, you might want to go ahead and check that or replace that. Okay, now we're going to go and check the cranking. See if the starter's good. Okay, so we hit cranking test. And what you do here is you hit OK. I got a little confused on this first because it says please turn off all electrical equipment and start the car. After that, press OK. But I learned that it don't work, that you got to press OK and then start the car. So I'm going to press OK. I'm going to start it. And it gives you the cranking voltage and the cranking time, and it tells you down here that cranking test is normal. So our starter's good. And to check the charging system, we go to check the charging system right here, and it says please do not turn off the engine during the test. All electrical equipment is turned off. So I'm going to hit OK. And it takes a second step, which it says to rev it up to 2,500 RPM for 5 seconds. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to hit continue. Now it's reading the charging system. So loaded voltage is 14.606, no load voltage is 14.19, and it says the charging system is normal, available for using. So the charging system's good, the starter's good, but it does need a new battery. So this is a quick, simple tool that you can use, and it's not that expensive. I can't remember the exact price. It's under $50, I think. They use a lot of the technology on your phone these days, so you don't have to buy all the, the stuff with all that technology. So, but yeah, I think it's under 50 bucks. I'll put a link down in the description if you want more information or check the ratings out on it. But yeah, I think this is a cool tool to have. And this will let you know if your battery's going to go bad beforehand, before you're left stranded somewhere. I thank Top Don for sending that to me, and in return, I'm going to give it to one of you. So the first one that comments in this video what you think about this tool, first one that comments, I'm going to ship it to you. And that, my friends, is how you check the battery, the cranking system, and the charging system. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.